welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the March Cozmobox unboxing. So if you want to see what I got today, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, so this is March's box. Now, we did actually receive an email letting us know that this one was super delayed. So I have only just received it. But yes, this box was very delayed, but they did keep us updated. So I was really grateful for that. But this is my second month trial with them. So I did get a 3-month trial. So let's open it up and have a look. Again, I have the little note telling me that the boxes are changing and that this is just a temporary one. So their new look box will be coming soon. So that was good to know. And again, I got the little booklet with what the items are in the box. So this theme is Autumn Glow. So I'm just going to follow through the actual booklet on what I have. So the first product I have here is from Caudalie. And it is the Vino Clean Instant Foaming Cleanser. It is 150 mils. It is a full-size product and it retails for 36 Australian dollars. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice big bottle. It is like a sort of a very light mint green. And it does have the pumper on the top there for it to foam up. It looks really nice. It sounds pretty good in the booklet. It says that Caudalie's best-selling and eco-friendly foam cleanser is formulated with 97% natural ingredients that gently cleanse and purify the skin, revealing your skin's natural radiance and leaving the skin soft and fresh. It's suitable for all skin types and recommended to be used both AM and PM. And it just says how to apply. Is to apply 2 pumps of the cleanser to damp skin, massage in circular motions all over your face, not forgetting your neck, and rinse well with water. So that is exciting product. I like that it is a full-size product as well. The second product in here is another full-size item, and this one I think the packaging is absolutely adorable of. So this is from Tiaki. Now I hope I'm pronouncing these right. I'm not a pro at pronunciation. Probably even got that wrong there. So I apologize if I'm butchering any of these, but this is a face serum. So this one retails for 30 Australian dollars and it is 50 mils and it comes in a little like cardboard box like this, which is really cute. And then when you open it up, it actually has like a plastic, it's not glass because it is flexible, a little jar in there with like a bamboo sort of top, so it's super cute. But this one says it is a powerful face serum formulated with the purest and natural ingredients such as marula seed oil, rosehip oil and argan oil that quickly absorb and nourish your skin deeply. Its lightweight, fragrance-free formula does wonders for all skin types, even the most sensitive skin. So this one sounds really nice. To use it, it says use this serum twice a day during daytime and nighttime and your skin will get noticeably softer and brighter. So that sounds really good. Okay, moving on to the next page. The next item is just like a little sample size and this is from SK2. I think that's what it is. It's that SK-2 in the Roman numerals. It's a facial treatment clear lotion. So it is just a sample, so it's only 30 mils. So it's just this little jar here. But when I do open it, it does have like a little stopper so it doesn't come out very fast. This one is the best-selling facial toner of a high-end Japanese skincare brand that we guarantee you will immediately fall in love with on your very first try. Formulated with Pitera and alpha hydroxy acids, or AHA, as the key ingredients, this hydrating toner removes stubborn impurities to reveal your skin's true radiance with zero irritation. You will achieve the clearest skin you've always wanted. And it says to use it, just saturate a cotton pad with toner and then gently swipe over the entire face, and it is suitable for all skin types and daily use. Now this little sample size retails for 21.71 Australian dollars. The next product I'm not going to open too much because I'm going to pop this in a giveaway. I actually got one of these from the Lumi boxes and I decluttered it on to a friend now. It is from Bella Pierre and it is a Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette. So it retails for 34 Australian dollars. This is what the front looks like. Now I'm not going to swatch it or anything, and I'm going to leave the plastic on it because, as I said, I've already had one of these. I just didn't use it often, but when I did try the formula, it was really, really nice. So this is what's inside. I'm just trying to hold that plastic there so nothing gets on it. So it's really, really pretty. It has a little mirror in it as well. Really cute for like travel. So it does say that is a dynamic eyeshadow palette featuring a mix of natural, buildable and blendable shades to add the perfect pop of colour and shimmer to your everyday go-to eye look. It comes with the 4 most wanted peachy shades, which are perfect for a warm autumn-inspired makeup look. And they do actually have in the booklet here a look on what you can actually do with the eyeshadow palette. So that is really cool that they gave you like a tutorial in there on a really nice, pretty, you know, autumn inspired look. And then there's 2 more products left. So the next product is another little sample and it is from Gucci and it is the Memoir June Audaire. It's 1.5ml perfume, retails for $7, and it is Gucci's first ever all-inclusive perfume that is not assigned to a specific gender or time. Its top notes are chamomile and bitter almond. Its middle notes are musk, Indian jasmine, and jasmine. Base notes are sandalwood, cedar, and vanilla. Explore the power of memory through its warm and woody scents that will evoke the unforgettable memories of the good old days that will softly pull at your heartstrings. So this is it here. It's just like a little sample size. So there it is there. That's what the full size bottle looks like. And let me spray it on and see if we can smell it. Okay, definitely not my type of scent. It is definitely like a musky sort of smell. But my mother-in-law loves these, so I'll pass this on to her. It is nice. It's just I like more of like a vanilla sort of scent or like a sweeter sort of scent. And the lucky last product that we got in this, I'm actually pretty excited about this one. I'm going to gift it on to my mother-in-law because I already have my own version of this. And it is from, I think, CB. And it is a silicone facial cleansing brush. So this is a full-size product. It retails for 35 Australian dollars. And it basically says this palm-sized soft silicone facial device will take your skincare routine to the next level. Its tiny silicone bristles gently pulsate to massage your cleanser deeper into the skin for a better clean, removing any excess oil, makeup, and dead skin cells. So it says recommended to use gentle cleansers such as a gel or foam cleanser with the device to avoid stripping your skin barrier. So this is what it is here. It did come in like a little plastic bag. This is it here. So these are all the little silicone bristles are there. You can move them around. There you go. Fix that little line that was there now. And then there's some different ones up the top here. You just press this button to get it vibrating and then this button to turn it off as well. It's really, really nice. I actually have the Ferrero, however you pronounce it. I think it's Ferrero branded one. I have just like the mini version. And I really like it. I actually use mine whenever I use my cleanser. So I'm going to gift this on to my mother-in-law and hopefully she will like it as well. So this month the total value was $167.71 Australian dollars, which was a pretty good box. Again, I think we only pay about $50 per box for these, but I'll add it to the screen. And as always, they've popped in a sneak peek as well. So we have one more month left to trial this box. And the April sneak peek is from More, and it's the Marshmallow Hand and Body Milk, and it's a full-size 500ml bottle. So I'm looking forward to trying that out because it sounds really, really nice. But I'm really happy with this box. I don't know if I'm going to continue after the 3 months just because I'm definitely more of a makeup lover than a skincare lover. And a lot of the products I am just gifting on to friends or family members or popping in giveaways. So I don't know if I will continue after this one. If you've got any recommendations for any other beauty boxes that are, you know, more makeup related, let me know down in the comments because I'm always interested in finding other ones and trying them out, as long as they ship here to Australia, because a lot of them are US based, which just cost a fortune to get here. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!